Hey everyone, so this is going to be for all the signs, general slash. I hope that you all are doing well. And links available and in the description box below, everything is available. So you just click it and you're going to find that. Okay. So thank you for support and donations. I highly appreciate it. You may do so. Links again available in the description. So what? I'm sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. If I haven't mentioned that. God, crazy. Crazy energy because people don't know what is going on. I'm telling you. And people don't know what is going on. They don't know what is about to come. And nobody is aware. Okay? But till the time we connect and speak to them, we even don't know. When we connect, they tell us. What I heard right away is great, GREAT, sage, SAGE, higher. Okay, it's something higher. This is interesting. Okay, this is something crazy. I don't know what is coming. Tell me. I have this card here. That's telling me that something is triggering you. Something that is off track. Something more of a word I should just say offbeat. OFFBEAT, something that is offbeat and you don't want to hear that music. You don't want to hear some music anymore. That's your message. That's your message. As if like you want to remove things. You want to remove things. Like maybe you want to remove your own things to a new place or to new shift, kind of like situation is like that. And it's like what I am seeing here is like accumulation of some things, accumulated thoughts, accumulated emotions, same thoughts, everything that is mixed here, like something that is giving you that energy of like I don't want this anymore. Okay. Okay, so that's what I heard. So your energy over here is disharmony and triggers. That's what I said. Something is triggering you. It's arguments, conflict, competition, harsh communication with someone. Okay, you see this? This is something happening. Maybe this is happening on daily basis. And your energy is like getting accumulated so much that you feel like you're a dormant volcano right now. Like you're not taking that volcano out as much you want actually. So yes, I know what dormant volcano is, but you do have arguments, which does mean that you're not totally dormant, but it's kind of like still the energy of like you're keeping it like 80-20, like you're 20 and you're not all out with 80. Like, did you see this? So I know what dormant is, but still I want to say like you're still keeping it low. Okay. So this is what harsh communication with possible someone, and you want to be just done with that. Yes, something is connected with number 9. Now this could be for some, could be 9 years of connection here I'm seeing, or for some this could be happening from last 9 months or so. And this trigger energy, this more of like you're feeling at edge, like you want to take some decision. And taking decision is all about you want to just shift it, like you don't want to be where you are, you don't want to be with someone you are. So basically you want to just move your stuff, move your energy, because of this, okay, person. Look, I just did the cut and you get toxicity. Something is here, bound, BOUND. Toxicity, something that's already dead, it doesn't feel, and you don't want, you cannot undo something. Like it's a unloved situation. Addictions, patterns, energy, vampire, trauma, bond, stuck. So I do feel for some this is a stuck energy. Toxicity, definitely. Now let's see what is coming for everyone here, as in general. Now, but for some, that was the energy. Okay. Your card just did hit like this and stopped. Now, if you're into, planets and all, you'll know, or you figure that out by yourself, we have everything. but you have Pluto energy. Something is like you don't feel close anymore with someone, and you don't feel, or the one you felt close is now far, 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 just like Pluto. Okay, but this is the energy of letting go. Something that you are doing right now in your life, you're letting go of something or someone. Death card, like endings. Okay, resilience, transformation, power, everything. But what is it you are seeking in Pluto? What is that you are letting go? Because it's on you. This is your card that is telling you need to let go. So if you don't have the knowledge or you're not into that, you don't want, then the word is letting go. But if you know, because people are knowledgeable, people just have that curiosity of figuring out things, you may check by yourself as well. Okay. So if you're into that. So it's definitely something that you either letting go, of course, but also somewhere you are stuck as well. So this is your card. Okay, what is coming? I'm also seeing ants here, and like there could be different things connected with ants, but I see as if like something is completing. It's like they are removing it. It's like they are just cleaning. These ants are cleaning your area. These ants also work hard, so you're also ready to work hard. Not ready to, you've always worked hard, but you're also ready to work hard. Wherever it's going to take you, you are just ready to work hard. You see this like letting go, but also you want to go far, far. I do feel like you want to go far and you want to start something new, basically. That's your card of like endings and beginnings, okay? Transformation, like you're trying to grab the power, and you want this to sustain, like you're like conserving, that's the right word, right? um, yes, let's see what is coming. Wow, your card is attract and attractive, passion, mutual feelings, feeling drawn to someone. It's, I think it's drawn to someone. Maybe they have spelling mistakes, but someone possible is drowning, getting attracted to you. That could be the energy as well. Now here you go to chapters of your life, or I'm reading out for many people. That is why this is for some and that was for some. So you are starting something. The moment you are letting go, you are starting a new journey here, okay? Because it's a new beginning with the death card ending, but a new beginning. And I do feel like here someone is, maybe you or the person, um, they're getting attracted to you. There is attract energy. You see this? This card is beautiful. So someone is definitely getting attracted to you because you are attractive. And this is also mutual feeling. So possible you're going to end up connecting both on same level. This is a little passionate card. Actually, they are possible. They're. I think they're into rain or shower together, covered. But yes, they are like they're having water on them, both. But they're close. But they are not. They're wearing clothes. Like I do feel like the girl is wearing. Of course, yes, she is. She is taking care of her emotions and not being vulnerable totally. And that's what is more attracted uh, point, attraction point. So this is on different people how it works, but they are feeling drawn to you, possible. So feeling drawn to someone, okay? Definitely, there is something going on, okay, for some. I'm. I just heard the word name, mark. I just heard it, and maybe this is also mark, like marking something in your life, or there's a mark on you, like the chosen ones. This is interesting. So this could be MARC, this could be MARK. Dream, messages. Something is going to be sent your way. It's like messages coming in your dreams, or the dreams you are having right now. If you remember, note it if you can, because something is definitely guiding you, like spiritual guides, or these are sources. If you believe in it's true, if you don't, it's not for you. Like they connect with you, anyone, higher power, souls, deceased, your angels, they try to enter in some source and they bring that message which is like for you. Telepathy, 5D communication, travel, astral travel, spirit guides, signs, and they connect and you'll just know. Okay, it's not that you decide or do something, it is just like you're chosen. Oh, that's why maybe I said mark, you're marked, like you're marked, you're chosen one. So dreams may be coming, messages are coming. In dreams, certain messages or features or someone's face you're seeing, and then in reality you meet. Astral travel, definitely. Telepathy, 5D communication, people go with that. So if you believe it is for you, otherwise it's not for you. So there are messages when you sleep, when you dream. And in the awakened life, like when you're awake, you'll know what is happening. Maybe this is the person who's coming in your dream, or this is the person who's going to come in your life. And you're going to know, just like, oh, like telepathy. Okay, something is connected. Wow, very interesting. So let's see what is more coming for you. New start, definitely new start. Okay, because sun card flipped and another card, but look at this. It's strength and sun. It's new. It's hope. It's a sunrise. That's what I see. And this is empowerment. This is heart chakra. You're healing that. You're opening. Compassion is, happiness is, truth revealed. Like, are you ready? Like, maybe after so long, you're ready to believe possible in certain like a situation of love possible, or some connection possible. And maybe that's why you got all these cards of letting go of past situations and love, and then you're getting attracted to someone or whoever is towards you. And then you have dreamed, like someone is also dreaming about you possible, or they want to send you those messages, like like a signal. And that's why you got the sun card, because of the new start and hope. And then you have higher self, which is again very important card. It's activation. Like this is like what you get awakened to. And when you have this awakened, it does depend on person to person how they go through with that. This is very personal level awakening. But then this is also about 5D communication, telepathy, astral travel, and all that stuff. So maybe people are going with that. So that may be activating higher self integration, awakening, timeline shift. So your timeline is also shifting, and you're going to feel like all of a sudden, like things are changing and they're better. Like, in on this planet, in this realm, things are changing because your things on higher self are changing. And because of that, you're going to feel very positive changes here, because who is helping you? Spirit guides and all that stuff. And they're like, you're decoding all that stuff. And when you are awake in this real life, you are decoding all that stuff. Okay, so you'll know what to do with your higher self. You're no longer you don't feel like, it does happen, you don't feel like connecting with people you were used to connect, or because they left and now you don't feel the same, you're not on the same platform basically. Same goes like Harry Potter 934. You're not on 9 platform or 10th platform, you're in 934, which means that your platform is different, which means that your higher self is calling you. It's a hell lot like stuff. But yes, people who understand, they'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so your present calling is totally different than your recent distant past. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.